powerful and energy efficient. The Hangcha XH series is equipped with high-voltage lithium battery, delivering powerful performance and exceptional energy efficiency. Advanced ergonomic design. The operator's cabin focuses on comfort and usability, with excellent all-around visibility to ensure safe and efficient operation. Dual-gun fast charging enhances operational continuity. Enhanced battery life, featuring regenerative braking and descent energy recovery technology. This will extend operational endurance. High protection level, designed to withstand harsh working conditions, ensuring reliability and durability in any environment. Cost-effective. Compared to internal combustion engines, the Hangcha XH series offers lower operational and maintenance costs, making it an economical and sustainable choice. Safe and reliable. The Hangcha XH series Reachstacker is an ideal choice for achieving operational excellence and environmental responsibility. Experience the next level of operational efficiency with the Hangcha XH series Reachstacker, where technology meets sustainability.
If you like our videos, please click to subscribe and share. Search Hangcha Forklift on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to see more videos.